at the temperature of 20 Celsius and a pressure of 1 atmospheric pressure, a gas with a volume 2 liters. What is the final volume of the gas if the pressure it changes to 2? So that means this one now at the temperature is 20 and the temperature is not changed. How do I know that the temperature is constant here? Because they didn't give me a new temperature and they didn't ask me about a new temperature. So that means all the process here happens at a constant temperature. And when there's constant temperature and there is a change and you are studying here volume and pressure, that means we are going to study Boyle's law. And Boyle says P1 V1 equals P2 V2 when you are studying the relationship between pressure and volume when the temperature is constant. P1 and V1, it means before the change. And as you see here, this one now represents P1. And here now what is the volume? This look, the pressure of 1. And I guess with volume, so that means this is V1 as well. Good. Then what is the final volume? They are asking about V2. So the question is about V2. And when the pressure here, P2 equals what? Is T2. Good. Just I substitute here in the formula. P1 here, I write it as 1 times volume 1, which is 2, equals P2, which is given here for me, that is 2 times V2. Okay, now just as you see here, here it equals 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 equals 2 V2. If you divide both sets by 2, you can see that V2 equals 1. And this is now logically. So one, what is the unit? The unit is the same unit they gave you in the volume. They gave you here the unit liters, so that means this one will be 1 liter. So you go to choose 1 liter as the answer. And you need to remember that the relationship between pressure and volume is inversely proportional. That means if one increases, the other one decreases. So if one gets doubled, the other one will be reduced to half. So here the pressure P1, as you see, it was 1, then it becomes 2. So that means the pressure is increased, it gets doubled. So in this case now, the volume will be reduced into half. It is now 2 liters, so that means it will get reduced to 1, which is what? 1 liter. So you can solve it either by using this idea or by using the formula as we did here. In both cases, you will find the same answer.